Hello friends, I am Pranjal and welcome back to another exciting video based on computerized accounting with GST. In this video, I am going to perform SOP number 2 of computerized accounting with GST. As you can see on the screen, I have placed an image of question given by the board book SOP number 2 with the help of any open source or free education version accounting software. Create a company using following details. Company details are given. Company name, Messrs. Bags and Baggage Traders. Company address, JM Ratna Road near Maruti Mandir, Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. PIN code 415612. Website is given www.bagsandbaggagetraders.com. Email ID contact us @bagsandbaggagetraders.com. GSTIN 27STUVW1234 C2Z1. Books beginning 1st April 2019. These are all the company related information which we have to write while we are creating the company. Enter the following transaction and appropriate voucher using by applying GST. Print GST computation report and tax invoice on 1st August 2019. Purchased 150 pieces of leather handbags at the rate of 2,500 per piece with GST 28% from Genuine Leather Bags, Sai Baba Nagar, DP Road, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. PIN code 40039 with GSTIN number 27 LMNOP 5678V2Z2. Second transaction on 2nd September 2019. Sold 80 pieces of them at the rate of rupees 3,500 per piece, GST 28% to Messrs. Shoppers Stock, Pari Industrial Estate, Chipdoon, Maharashtra. PIN code 415605 with GSTIN number 27 JKLMN 4321 C1Z2 and print GSTR2 and sales tax invoice. These are the transactions given. In the first transaction, we are purchasing leather bags, which is the good in which we trade. We perform our business, so these are the main goods of our business. In this, we have to mention the quantity while passing the entry. As you can see on the screen, I've shared my laptop screen with you all. To perform this practical, I am using Tally ERP9 software. You can use any other, but it is useful in future as well everywhere Tally ERP9 is used. Other software are also good, but in commercial life, other apps are used very less. And in this app, there is also education version, so we can use that version to perform this practical. The app or software icon looks like this. After installing, just open it. After opening the app, it gives you such option like to active your license, reactive, or get a rental, configure existing license, login as remote Tally user, and work in education mode. we have to select the work in education mode, and after opening it looks like this. The interface is like this. While you are using this software for the first time, there will be no company name here. It will be completely blank as I have used it before. That's why the name is appearing here. To create company, at the right side there are these options. From that we have to select the company info, or you can even click on F3 from the keyboard. This will give you the option of shut company, select company, create company. First I am just shutting this company which is open here, and after that click on the create company and this interface will open. After it getting opened, we have to write the name of the company, which is given as Messrs. Bags and Baggage Traders, and click on enter. Address is also given, that is JM Road, Ratna Road, don't need to click on the caps lock and close it to put the first letter capital. It automatically does the capital word, like applies the first letter as capital, comma, Neo Maruti Mandir, comma, Ratnagiri, comma. Instead of giving comma, you can just enter. There is one additional line where you can write the address. Maharashtra, and there is separate option for pin code, so I'm not writing the pin code there. Click on enter, select country, then select state as Maharashtra as they have mentioned in the company details. Pin code is 415612. Click on enter. Phone number is not provided. Mobile number is not even provided. Fax number is not also there. Email is given as contact _ us @ bags and baggage traders.com, and then click on enter. Website is also given, is www.bags and baggage traders.com. Click on enter. Financial year begins from given 1 April 2019. Give that 1/4/2019. Click enter. Automatically the book beginning form will change, same as the financial year begins from is. And if you want to set password to your company information, you can say here it, like the password. If you want to set, you can write it here and then repeat down, and you don't need to select any option here. Leave it, click enter and accept all. After creating company, it will show you the name of company here, which we have given, and the current period is 1/4/2019 to 31st March 2020. Yes, and after this, click on the features, or you can even click on the F11 from the keyboard. And here there is option of statutory and taxation. Click on that, and from here enable the goods and service tax as yes, and click here as well yes, and it will open a new interface like this. State, you don't need changes at the top, just you have to write your GST IN number, which is given in the textbook, that is 27 ST UVW 1234 C2 Z1, and accept all. Here as well accept all, you don't need to change anything else. And check in the accounting features, there should not be yes to maintain accounts only. This option is for having a company related to service rendering. That time we have to say here yes and accept all. From the right side also you can select. Here there are options: journal and maintain godowns or stock categories. You can say here yes to multiple godowns and stock categories. Accept all, and we are done with this. Go back by pressing the escape key. We have to come to the gateway of Tally to enter that transaction. First transaction is on 1st August 2019. Purchase 150 pieces of leather handbags at the rate of rupees 2,500 per piece with GST to 28%. For that, to create the ledger and the stock item, first we need to go to accounting info, and that click on ledger and create single ledger. The ledger which we need is purchase ledger. First create purchase, account, enter. Under group will be purchase account, and your applicable is yes, and set GST alter details as yes. It will give you this interface, So nature of transaction is purchase taxable, which is at the bottom. Select this, and the percentage of tax is given 28%, and automatically it is divided into 14% of central tax and 14% of state tax. As we have selected the nature of transaction as purchase taxable, that's why. If you select interstate purchase taxable, that time it will not divide it like that. This is within the state, as the dealer is as well from Maharashtra. Click on enter. Type of supply is goods, not services, so click on goods and enter and accept it, and our first ledger is created. Second ledger is of that company from where we are purchasing the leather bags, that is genuine leather bags. Account, click on enter. Here select sundry creditors, as we are purchasing goods from them and we have to pay to them, so there will be our sundry creditors. Maintain bill by bill, leave it no. Entry values are affected, leave it as no. And address is also given of that company, so write here in the address section as Sai Baba Nagar, DP Road, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, enter, select the country, state, give the PIN code. PIN code is 400039. If they have also given the bank details, you can say here as yes and provide the bank details. PAN or IT number is not given. GST number is given. Write that 27 LNNO P 5678 B2 Z2. Click on enter. Here we don't have to write alter GST details because there is no different GST rate for this particular seller, so leave it no. Accepted. All ledgers for the first transaction are ready. The ledger for the second transaction will create while passing the entry only. Go back by clicking the escape key. Again go back, and then go to the inventory info and click on the stock group and click on create your. I'm giving the stock group name as handbags. Select the under type as primary and here you have to say yes to the quantities of items to be added. It's yes. If you have not given the GST details to while purchasing, you can put it here as well, yes, and select here as taxable. Select here taxable and write here as 28. They're automatically divided and accept it. You can either give the GST details in purchase account or while creating the stock item or stock group. Go back, click on yes, go back, click on the stock item and create single stock item. It is leather handbags. And select the undergroup as handbags. Category not applicable. Units we have to create. For that, click Alt plus C, and type will be simple. Symbol you can right here they have said like per piece, so write it as PIE or anything, and then write your formal name, full name of it, pieces, and quantity code. Here they have given all the quantities, so just press P, so it will give you the names related to P, and number of decimal places 0 is accepted. As we have given the GST details in the stock group, so whichever item is there in the stock group, that will apply the same GST percentage. These are the 3 ways through which you can add the GST percentage as per the situation. In this practical, they have not given different percentage for different items. If the transaction would be in interstate, that time the percentage may differ and we have to give the percentage according to that differently. So that's why there are such different options. I'm not giving it the percentage here. Accept it. Don't write any quantities and rate of that, as we are not having the opening stock. And accept it. Go back through the escape key. Again go back. You can also create the unit of measure by going here and create. Go back to the gateway of Tally and go on the accounting vouchers and click on the purchase voucher from the right side and give invoice number if you want to give. That is not compulsory, and the date is given as 1st August 2019. For that, go to here F2 and give the date as 1-8-2019, and then party name is selecting your genuine leather bags. Select all, and then purchase account. Name of the item is leather bags. Just click on the first letter, whichever name you have given to the stock item. The list will appear. Click on it. quantity is given 150 pieces. Write it here. Rate is 2500 and total amount is automatically calculated. And after that, click on enter. After this, just click on Alt plus C and write the name as GST. While the example is of GST, we have to create this additional ledgers as GST account, CGST and SGST. As it is within the state, we don't have to create IGST, only CGST and SGST is needed. And under group, okay, go back, it is showing for the stock item creation. Go back, again click on enter and then click on Alt plus C and then write CGST account. Select the under group as duties and taxes and list of duties and taxes as GST, and it is central tax. CGST is central tax and SGST is state tax and IGST is integrated tax. So it is CGST, so select central tax. Don't select any other option for the percentage and rounding method and accept it. And again go down and again press Alt plus C and write SGST account duties plus taxes. List of duties or taxes will be GST and then select state tax and accept all. Here you can see it is calculated. The CGST and SGST is calculated automatically. We just have to mention the percentage and the category of the ledger account, and that's it. After this, again click on enter and you can even say here yes or no. If you say yes, it will give you this bill distribution like supplier invoice and all that. And then write the narration being goods purchased and accepted. And if you want to see the tax analysis, just go back with this and go to display and go to day book and open this first entry and click here as tax analysis. So it will show you the tax, total tax, like this, what is the GST calculated on this. And if you go and detail, this will show you the central tax 14% and state tax 14%, like this, to check it is whether it is calculated correctly or not according to the central tax and state tax. You can check like this. Go back, again go to accounting voucher. Second entry is about sales. We are selling goods, so click on the sales voucher. As in the first entry, they have mentioned the name of the company and the address. It means we have been purchased the goods on credit basis. That's where they have provided a whole details of that company. And in the second transaction as well, they have mentioned the whole information about the company to whom we are selling. That means we are also selling it on credit basis. Give the reference number and select the date. Date is as 2nd September 2019. And party name we have to create it. So again click on Alt C, and company name is Messer Shopper Stock. And enter. Under group will be sundry debtors, as we are selling to them and they will pay us. Enter and go till the address and write the address as they have mentioned it. Puri Industrial Estate. Puri Industrial Estate, Chipadon, Maharashtra. Go down, select the country, state, then PIN code is given 415606. 05, and PAN ID is not given. GST IN is given 27 JKLM N 4321 C1 Z2, and accept all. And here you can give the additional details if you want to give, like delivery note number, dispatch document number, vehicle number, and all that, destination, all that. Here in the sales ledger, we have to create the sales account ledger. Again, click on Alt C, and that's sales account. Under group will be sales account. And applicable, you can set it here as yes, and taxable not applicable. Here you can say sales taxable, as it is a sales transaction. Write here 28 and select your goods and accept all. Stock item is the same stock item, which is leather bags. Click on that. Quantities which we are selling is 80 pieces. Rate is 3,500. Accepted, and again double enter, and then let's see GST, again enter, and SGST, and to check the tax analysis or the tax distribution, click on tax analysis and click on detail. You can see it is calculated on 14%, and condense it and go back. and enter. Right now I'm saying here no, and write the narration being goods sold, and then yes. Go back. Both the entries which are required to perform this practical are done, and they have told us to print the GSTR2 and sales tax invoice. For that, go in the display and go to the statutory reports and then GST. Here there is option as GSTR2. Click on that. Select the period like 1-4-2019 from 31st-3-2020. So it will show us for the whole year. This is the total tax. If you click on detail, it will show you the detailed. This is the whole tax, and to print this you have to, or export it, you have to go here, print option, and select the printer. If you want to print it through your printer, if you are having a printer, you can select the name of that printer through the select printer as. Otherwise, if you want to export it as PDF, you can select this Microsoft Print to PDF like that, and okay. And if you want to change the report title or something, you can go through this like titling, page numbers and all that, and click on yes, or just click on Y button and name the file. This is GSTR2. It is getting generated. It is done. Second is sales tax invoice. Again go back, and to see the sales, go back. To see the sales tax invoice, go to day book and select the sales voucher and click on the print and select yes and give name to it, sales tax invoice. So we are done exporting our reports. Let's check how the reports appear. These are the reports. This is the GSTR2. It appears like this. Company details are given, GSTIN is given, period which we selected is given. Sales tax invoice appears like this. You can modify the titling through that. And this is all they're given, how the GST is calculated and all that. I hope you have understood how to perform this practical with the help of Tally ARP9. If you have any query related to this practical or any other practical, please comment down below. I have placed the link through which you can download the Tally ARP9 app. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.